Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to fix not showing it to Instagram Instant on my Android phone and provide full guide. So simply you just open your Instagram, press onto profile. At first need to enable this three line at the top right corner, scroll down and you just find here to content preference. Just open this and must be turn off this option. If you are already turn on this option, now it's not showing here this. Okay, not showing here this option. And when you disable this, go to again my content preference, make sure to disable this. Okay, as you can see, now showing it to this option. Press on, easily turn on this. But if you still not getting this option, so close this, your Instagram, open Play Store, go to search option, search set to Instagram. Make sure to update your Instagram latest version. I'm already updated my Instagram latest version. And the third solution, uninstall your Instagram and reinstall your Instagram. So I hope you just follow this 3 steps, then you can get this option. Or if you have any question, let me know in my comment box.